Hey everyone, welcome back to Spice Try. Today we have for you the recipe of a dish that has been an absolute family favorite, the Lucknowi Shami Kabab. This dish is as easy to make as it is flavorful and can be enjoyed both as a snack and a starter. So let's see how it's made. So what you're going to need for this recipe is 350 grams minced meat, 150 grams boneless meat pieces, 100 grams yellow split dal or chana dal that has been soaked, a heaped teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, and 1 teaspoon chili paste. To this, you will add 150 grams potatoes that can be sliced or diced as per your preference. Now transfer the entire lot into a pressure cooker and let it cook for about 2 whistles. Check if all the components have cooked. If not, keep it for a little while longer. Once done, transfer into a pan for the next step. Keep the pan on a low flame and add in 1.5 teaspoon grounded cumin powder, 2 teaspoons grounded red chili powder, and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now taking a smasher, mix and mash all the ingredients together. Do this until all the ingredients are well mixed together. If your mixture is a bit too watery, leave it on flame until it becomes nice and dry. Mold the kebabs into your desired shape and size, and then coat them with breadcrumbs and keep aside. In a pan, heat enough oil to deep fry your kebabs, and in a separate bowl, crack and beat in 1 egg for the outer coating of your kebab. Once the oil is hot enough, gently dip each kebab into the egg and then straight into the pan for frying. Fry each kebab until it is golden brown on both sides. And that's it. Your Shami Kababs are now done. Enjoy them hot along with some mint and coriander chutney on the side. Now wasn't that super easy? Do make them and let us know how they turned out in the comment section below. Also, if you like this recipe, then don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and stay tuned for more. See you next time.